Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Victoriaville local and long-distance movers near me. If you're seeking a cheap Victoriaville moving company, there is no better option than 3 Movers. Our dependable local and long-distance moving services come at inexpensive rates. We know how to get you moved efficiently to your new location. Hiring our long-distance movers means you get the right options to make your move a full-service move, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. There are many choices to make when you need to relocate, and one of them is to hire a good long-distance moving company. Our team of movers will make it easier for you to move 100 miles away or further. A Canada moving company will make your local move simple. You won't have to worry about the heavy lifting or the hard work. Instead, you can relax as professionals handle everything. 3 Movers is the right local moving company to consider. We know how to streamline the process and get you to your new location faster. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Victoriaville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.